Welcome. In this video we will learn about numbers. Natural numbers, whole numbers, integers and rational numbers. Let's start. So let's start with natural numbers. Natural numbers are set of counting numbers. We represent these numbers with capital letter N and we have 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on up to infinity. So these numbers are infinite in numbers. So when we include 0 with natural numbers, we got whole numbers. Okay, so 0 and natural numbers together called whole numbers. We represent these numbers with capital W and we have 0, then 1, then 2, then 3 and so on up to infinity. Whole numbers are closed under addition and multiplication. Okay, what do we mean by closure? So, whenever we take two whole numbers and add, for example, 2 plus 3, we got result 5. Or we add 1 plus 10, we got 11. No matter which whole number we choose, adding them always result in whole number. Whole number plus whole number is always whole number, and this is called closed under addition. Similarly, when we take any two whole numbers and multiply them, 2 times 3 is 6 and 5 times 2 is 10. No matter which whole number we choose, when we take two whole numbers and multiply them, we always got the result to be whole number. Let's subtract two whole numbers. 5 minus 2, we have result 3. Let's subtract another two whole numbers. 2 minus 1, we have 1. So here we again see that when we subtract two whole numbers, we got the result whole number. But is it always true? For example, if we take a small whole number and subtract a larger whole number from it, we just can't do this operation with the help of whole numbers. We need negative numbers. So 0 natural numbers and negative of natural numbers are called integers. We represent these numbers with capital Z, and we have 0, 1 and it's negative, negative 1, 2 and it's negative, negative 2, 3 and it's negative, negative 3 and so on. These numbers are also infinite in numbers. Now we can represent integers on number line as discrete set of points. Let's see. Okay, so the question is, why do we represent these numbers on a line? You can notice by representing these numbers on this number line, we can get more information about these numbers. What we will see here, that each consecutive numbers have an increment of 1 unit. You can also see that there is a gap of 1 unit. 1 unit gap between any two consecutive integers. To see with this help of number line order of these numbers, what we will see that negative 4 is a small number than negative 3. These two numbers are smaller than negative 2, negative 1. These all are smaller than 0 and so on. What we are seeing here is, as we are going from left to right, we get larger numbers. And when we travel from right to left, we got a smaller number. So integers are closed under addition, subtraction and multiplication, meaning that if we take any two integers and add them, we get a result integer. We subtract two integers, we get always result as integer. When we multiply two integers, we always get a result which is integer. So what about division? Let's see, by dividing two integers. 10 divided by 2, we have 5 result. 4 divided by 4, we have 1 as a result. But when we want to divide 3 with 2, we just can't do with the help of integers. We need some different kind of numbers. We need numbers of the form a by b. Let's see rational numbers. A rational number is a pair of two integers a and b with b not equals to 0 written in the form a by b. Now what we can say about rational numbers? Rational numbers are closed under the operation of addition, subtraction, multiplication and division by non-zero numbers. So in the next video we will see simplest form of rational numbers, how to find rational numbers between any given two rational numbers, and we also see rational numbers on number line. Okay, thank you.